Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer back for another episode of STEAM at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make a solar heater using nothing but some regular old soda cans and some spray paint. So stick around and I will show you exactly what to do next. So first, a word of warning, we are going to be cutting the cans and these are incredibly sharp, so get a grown-up to help you or make sure you're wearing gloves. I'm going to be wearing a cut-proof glove because I don't want to get cuts all over my hands. So to start, we're just going to take the little tabs off the top, and I'm going to be using 6 cans. Show you the basic one. If you wanted to do a giant one, I've seen people that use like hundreds of cans and then they put it inside of like a window. I'll link to one of those tutorials below. We're going to make a chimney essentially using these cans. So we need to figure out which one's going to be our top can and which one's going to be our bottom can. So let's make this guy here. This will be our bottom can. So bottom can, we're going to do a hole right here at the side near the bottom. So for middle and for top, we're going to do holes at the bottom and then we'll have a hole at the top, and we can make the hole at the top bigger. The bigger the hole, we just want air to get from one can to another. So let's get cutting. Okay, so I've got holes cut in the bottom of all of my other cans except for my bottom one. I did accidentally crush one of the cans while I was trying to put a hole in it. If you get a hole in your can, except for the top or the bottom, you got to get rid of it. So my chimney's only going to have 5 cans now. All right. So now, bottom can, because I want mine to stand up and I'm not going to like put it inside of a big elaborate box, I'm going to cut my hole on the side. Okay, now we're going to tape our cans together. Duct tape would work really well. I don't have duct tape, I just have masking tape, so that's what I'm going. Okay, so now that I have my chimney all taped together, I did also down here really carefully put some tape around the edge so that way I didn't accidentally cut myself on this hole. Now that I've got this all done, I'm going to spray paint the whole thing in a matte black spray paint. So you want it to be preferably black or a very, very dark color, and you don't want it to be shiny. So don't use gloss paint, something you would paint like a barbecue pit with, or just any kind of matte finish. So I'm going to paint that and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so here is my chimney now that it is painted and taped off. Unfortunately, I can't test it because it has been nothing but rain since I finished painting this. So to test it, you're gonna stick it outside in the direct sunlight, have it standing straight up. You are gonna measure the airflow temperature at the bottom, wait about 20 minutes, and then measure the airflow coming out of the top. Should be a noticeable difference in air temperature. All right, well that is all for me. I will see you guys next week. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're on Facebook, share, leave me a comment, let me know if this experiment worked at home for you. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.